Kate. How are you today? Kate? Hi, Kate. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Kate. How are you? How are you, Kate? Okay, so Kate, teacher Anne will share to you the screen now. Yeah. Okay, Kate, can you hear teacher Anne? I'm here now. Okay, so we have here. In the unit 40, what a strange planet. Feeling na nga. Leave it here. Oh, I'll be the one. Do not get it back.
Ay, magpa-sign ako.
Ay, ako. Okay? Okay, I will share to you the screen now. We have the vocabulary. We have the word hill, sound, tune.
Hill,
Okay,
tune,
tune and
sound,
sound. Okay, we have midnight
midnight,
and
Waterfall.
waterfall and competition. Okay, read the text quickly and answer the questions. Again, you read the text quickly and answer the questions. This is about the wonderful soundscape. Kate, are you with me? Are you with teacher Anne? Can you hear me?
yes,
Okay, so here, this is the wonderful sounds. Hello, my name is Tom and I live in a busy city. But last June, I went camping in the countryside for the first time. I went with Grandpa Pat and my two cousins, who are 3 years older than me. And it was exciting because we didn't arrive until midnight. It was very quiet and I couldn't see very much because it was so dark. Putting up our tent was quite difficult. When I woke up early in the morning, and then there were so many unusual sounds outside. I could hear the birds that were singing all the kinds of different tunes. I could also hear some water outside, but it sounded much noisier than a river. I opened up the tent quietly because I didn't want to wake up my grandfather and cousins and stood up slowly to see where we were. This is the most beautiful place that I've ever seen. I thought I can't wait to walk up those hills and through those woods. Then, because some high trees, I saw the lovely waterfalls and all the rocks below it. There was a deep stream too. It was only a little way away from our tent. What a beautiful view and that's such a wonderful sound. I whispered to myself, I wished I could see and hear this every morning. So these are the wonderful sounds that they hear in this journey in the camping together with Tom and of course in the busy city with the grandpa. Okay, so you want to stay away from the busy city with grandpa. So of course they go there. Okay, so did you understand the story? Okay, did you understand the story? Hmm? Did you understand? Okay, can you hear me? Okay, Kate, can you hear me? Okay, Kate, Kate, can you hear me? So we have here, Kate, different questions. Can you please answer the questions? Kate, we have here different questions. Can you please answer the questions? How many people can you see in the picture? How many people can you see in the picture? How many people can you see in the picture?
How many you how many people can you see? I can see two people.
Okay, you can
Where are
see two
they?
people. Okay, where are they? They are in the
Live in a busy city.
busy city. Are you sure they are in the busy city? Where are they at this time? At this time, where are they? They are in the where?
The waterfall.
In the
Sound.
waterfalls. Okay. They are camping away from the city. They are in the waterfalls. Okay. Why are
In a
they?
country.
Yeah. Why are they at this place? Why do you think they are in this place? Why?
Because we didn't already you mine you not.
Because, again, why do you think they are at this place? Why?
Because because we didn't ever do
Because
midnight.
because they are because they want to
It was so dark.
they want to they want to expose and okay, they want to go out from the busy city because the city is very busy and of course it is not quiet. Okay, Next, who these people are? Who do you think are they? Who these people are? Who these people are? They are who? They are Grandpa and Tom. Okay, the name of these people are Grandpa and Tom. Okay, why they are at this place? Why do you think are the same questions? Okay, they want to go in this place because this place is quiet and solemn. Okay, they don't like to be in the city because, as you know, Kate, if you live in the city, it's very noisy. Or how about your place? How about your city? Isn't it is not, is it noisy or not noisy in your place? How about in your place? Is it noisy or not noisy? What do you think? How about in your place? Is it noisy or not noisy? You're living in the city, right? Sorry. You're living in the city, right? So does it mean that it's not healthy? I mean, it's not noisy. What do you think? Okay. Okay, please answer me. Do you think that living in the city is noisy or not noisy? What do you think? Wait, ha, I will close the door. Wait. Okay. So do you think living in the city is noisy or not noisy? Of course, living in the city is living in the city is noisy. You can see that it's noisy if you live in the city. Okay. Now look at this. Example, some words to complete the sentence. There are some words to complete, write some words to complete the sentences. Write 1 to 4 words. Okay? So example, Tom went camping last June with his grandfather and his 2 cousins. The one is cousins. Tom was 3 years younger than his cousins. So what do you think is the correct answer for this? Okay, it was already dark when they put up the tent because they arrived at
At
what?
June till
They arrived at what?
right.
Okay, they arrived at midnight. Okay, 2. Tom could hear lots of wonderful sounds when he walked up the block. Okay, Tom could hear lots of wonderful sounds when he walked up the block. What?
Woke up
Walk up the?
early the next morning.
Okay, the next morning, very good. One of the sounds came from something that was louder. One of the sounds came from something that was louder.
Which one of the sound come from something
That was louder.
louder with me, huh? Oh,
Louder.
this was louder. Uh,
than a
a
river.
river.
Okay, next one. Okay, we still have four. Tom didn't want to wake up the others up, so
Tom didn't
others
wake
up, so he
the
quietly blunked and
water
went outside.
quiet. Um. Uh, Tom
Okay, Tom thought didn't want to wake the others up,
my
so he
friend,
quietly
brother, and cousin.
he quietly opened the tent, quietly opened the tent and went outside. Okay, Tom thought the hills and woods looked more black than any other place he knew. What is it? Tom thought the hills and the woods looked more blank than any other place he knew. What is it?
Um,
Answer.
Tom found hills and
Woods
looked
more
for uh where we were. This is a beautiful place that
okay, very good. Look, beautiful. Okay, six. Not far from their
not
tent.
far
uh,
from their tent. Tom could see some rocks below. Uh,
Long. Okay. Not far from their tent, Tom could see some rocks below a mountain.
lovely
Okay.
waterfall.
Waterfalls. Okay, it's
Mountain
waterfall.
stream was making making wait a
Hmm?
deep stream a little way away from our tent.
Okay.
Was making only a little way away from our tent.
The mountain stream was making blank. What is the answer number seven? Making.
Was only a little way.
Okay. Such a wonderful sound. Mountain stream was making such like the sound of the ship. For Tom, it was a wonderful sound. Okay, next. Okay, what is this picture about? Okay, look at this. Which animals have short tails? Which animals have short tails? Which animals? Which animals have short tails?
Uh,
Okay, you pick which of this animal has short tail?
okay. Rabbit, bird, duck.
Which animal has short tails?
Yeah. Rabbit, bird, duck, giraffe.
Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, short tails. We have the rabbits. birds, ducks, swans. Robert. Okay, next. Okay, so here we have categories of animals that you can describe like have wings. Oh, you tell me, what animals have wings? You write here, huh? Example. You will write the animals that have wings are example one, bird. Oh, you write here, bird. Oh, you can write here, bird. Animals that have wings, bird. Okay. Swing from the trees. What animals that can swing in the trees? Example here, you will write birds. Okay, that's it. Okay, swing from the trees. What animal swing from the tree? Okay, swing. What animals that swing from the trees? Okay, swing from the trees. Swing from the trees. The one who swing from the trees are okay. What animals that swing in the trees? Tell me. It example. Monkey. Sorry. Monkey are example of animals that swing in us. What animals are big and heavy? What do you think the animals that are big and heavy? What animals is it? What animals? Okay. What animals are big and heavy? What animals that you think big and heavy? What animals do you think big and heavy? Okay, animals that are big and heavy. Give example. Oh my God, Kate, did you understand? Did you listen? Animals that are big and heavy. Example, I am the one asking question and I am the one to answer. Elephant. What animals that have really long legs? What do you think? What animals that has really long legs? Okay. Animals that have long legs. What animals that have long legs? What animal is it? It is Kate. Giraffe. My God, Kate, Kate, where are you? You're not talking to me. Can you hear me? Kate, can you hear me, Kate? Kate, where are you? Can you hear me, Kate? My God. Kate.
Hmm?
Kate, I am talking to you here. Where did you go? Oh, I am talking. You always do that. When we have a class, you do with me. Okay, please listen because teacher is talking here and no one is answering me. Please. Okay. Why is this planet strange and what's unusual about the planet in this picture? What is unusual about this planet in the pictures? Okay, listen and answer the question about the competition. Please listen and answer the questions.
40C. What a strange planet. Listen and answer the questions about the competition.
We have 3 questions for you. Choose one of the questions and write your answer. We will invite the winner of this writing competition to come and help us film our new TV program. The TV program is all about strange places on our planet and the strangest animals that live there.
"40C. What a strange planet. Listen and answer the questions about the competition.
We have 3 questions for you. Choose one of the questions and write your answer. We will invite the winner of this writing competition to come and help us film our new TV programme. The TV programme is all about strange places on our planet and the strangest animals that live there.
Here, which place would you like to visit? Which place would you like to visit and why? Tapos na ipakita mo. Which place would you like to visit and why? Which place? Naman. Ha? Na? Sabi na. Sige lang. Ha? Panaran. Okay. Kantilay na siya. Ha? Ha?
Listen again.
(40C). What a strange planet. Listen and answer the questions about the competition.
Kadang pula na isuot day.
We have
T-shirt.
3 questions for you.
Mas lamit ang pula kay.
Choose one of the questions and write your answer. We will invite the winner of this writing competition to come and help us film our new TV programme. The TV programme is all about strange places on our planet and the strangest animals that live there.
Okay. So, how many questions do you have to answer? How many questions do you have to answer? Answer.
2 question.
2